Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Prius wheel bearing only ways. Gather a jack, stands, socket set, torque wrench, puller, replacement bearing, and safety gear before starting. I'll guide you through removing the wheel, brake caliper, rotor, and hub nut, then replacing the bearing and reassembling with correct torque. Stay with me for tips that prevent common mistakes and keep your Prius driving smoothly and quietly. Start by loosening the lug nuts while the car sits on the ground, then raise the Prius and secure it on stands. Remove the wheel and set the lug nuts aside in a container to avoid losing them. Unbolt the brake caliper and hang it using a bungee or hook to prevent strain on the brake hose. Remove the rotor and clean the hub area so the bearing replacement goes smoothly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin fresh while you work on repairs, and it makes test drives nicer too. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After exposing the hub, remove the axle nut and hub nut using proper tools and steady force. Employ a quality puller or hydraulic press to extract the old bearing, taking care not to warp the hub flange or studs. Press the new bearing into place squarely, then reassemble the hub, axle, rotor, and caliper. Tighten all fasteners to manufacturer torque and spin the hub to check for smooth operation and absence of play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.